Welcome to Learning Labs. Today we create a batch file to open Android emulator without Open Android Studio. So for this, you have to open a drive where you download or install Android SDK. So I download Android SDK in my local disk E folder. So now I open local disk E drive and open Android SDK folder. And here you can see a folder which name is emulator. So open emulator folder and click on here and copy this path. Okay, if you don't know where is the emulator folder, okay, don't worry, just press on Windows plus R and type here emulator, then press on enter button. So emulator folder will be open automatically. So now you can copy this path easily, and now open notepad and paste this path here. Now again press Windows plus R and type cmd, then press on enter button and type emulator space hyphen list hyphen abds and press on enter button. You can see the list of emulator. So select any one. I select pixel 4 and copy, then paste here. So simply type here cd space and type here and emulator.exe space hyphen avd. Then after all, you have to click on file and click on save as, give a file name, then give an extension which is .bat, then simply click on save. So our batch file is ready here. So just click on this file, wait a little bit. And our Android emulator is opening. So every time when you open your Android emulator, just click on this batch file. The Android emulator will be open automatically without Open Android Studio.